what is clinical research? How is it different from lab research? What is a clinical trial? How is it different from other types of research?
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of preconceived notions that are incorrect about what clinical research is. Most people are going to think, oh, you're at the lab bench with your pipette and petri dishes and your lab goggles on and your lab coat. And no, that can be part of clinical research, but that's not at the heart of what we do. And I actually myself got started in basic science research. I was in the rat lab and realized I wanted to work with people. I didn't really want to be in that setting anymore. In clinical research, it's really where science meets medicine, and we are testing new medications, therapies, interventions. Sometimes it's a behavior change, sometimes it's a pill, sometimes it's a patch, sometimes it's a surgery. It's some new innovative intervention on a human person, a participant in this trial. And during the duration of that study, we are collecting data on all the participants to see if our intervention is, number one, safe, right? We don't want to give something to someone if it's not safe. We don't want to offer that intervention if it's going to do more harm than good. And then secondarily, we're testing for efficacy. That means, does it work? Is it helping? Is it efficacious? And so these are the two questions at the heart of every clinical trial. Is it safe? Number one, always, is it safe? And then number two, is it working? Is it helping? And if those two things are a no, or if even one of those is a no, then really what's the point of offering that to anyone? And of course, we want to offer these interventions to the groups that need them most. The studies are designed in such a way where we enroll these participants to test on the population that needs that intervention, that needs that new high blood pressure medication, or that clot busting compound, or a certain type of surgery done in a certain type of way. So, these studies are designed in very specific ways to answer these questions. And if all goes well, years and years of collecting data and running these interventional trials, we get that data to the FDA and we say, here's what we know so far. Based on the data, not even we think, our data shows, it proves that this intervention is safe and that it is efficacious. Can we prescribe this to people? Can this be an on-label treatment for people? Can this be an intervention that we can give in the clinic that doctors can prescribe to their patients?